This is going to be a good video, folks. I'm really excited about this 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner. That means it's a convertible. It's an older body off-frame restoration. It looks beautiful. It's got the Thunderbird Special 312 motor with the 4-barrel and a dual exhaust going out through the back bumper. There's also a Continental kit hanging off the back there. It's an automatic. They've got some nice upgrades. How about power disc brakes? How about air conditioning that'll drop ice cubes on your lap? Radial white walls. It's decked out with all the trim. Really nice car. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the information, study about 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag, not only on this one, but on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, the top's down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, very nice car. Beautiful. So the body was off the frame. The floors are all clean, restored metal. The rockers, the braces, all that looks really good. The chassis is all painted. The front end and steering has been redone. Same thing in back, the suspension, the shocks, all that was replaced when the car was restored. It has a dual exhaust system with the old glass pack mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. And as I explained, it comes right out through the bumper. That's the way the dual exhaust cars were. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It has the Cruise-O-Matic transmission in there. The fuel tank's been replaced. I don't know if I mentioned the brakes yet, but it is disc brakes up front. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. So underneath the car is dialed in and looking good and ready to drive and enjoy. Now the body, I've already done my little inspection. I even ran my hand all along the bottom. You can't always see everything, but sometimes you feel them. And there's nothing. I didn't find any bubbles. There's no cracking down low. It's straight. You know, it's a black car, so you know it's got to look good to be black, and this one does. This is all straight. The body lines are real nice. Doors line up nice and square. They shut real nice. The hood all lines up. It's straight. It's not dented or damaged. All looking really good. Nice, straight, shiny, smooth. It's raven black. You know, polished like a mirror, like I could reach right in, shake my own hand in the reflection there. All the chrome and trim was either replaced or restored. It's all still looking very good. I'm going to call it all, you know, a 7 or an 8. It's all sharp looking. You have the Thunderbird emblem right here. That designates what's under that hood. Now the 56 is better looking than the 55 in my opinion. One of the reasons is this trim, more streamlined. The 55 kind of takes a dip and then points back up. Just a little subtle difference that I like. It has dual mirrors, has the fingernail guards, has fender skirts with the stone shields, optional reverse lights, blue dot tail lights, full Continental kit with the metal cover and the chrome ring. And all of this is looking very nice. Tail lights, trim. Has the rear-mounted antenna, nice cool feature. The wire basket deluxe hubcaps, those are really sharp, and it's rolling on radial whitewall tires. It's a power top. There's pictures on our website, and it's the really rich, upgraded black canvas. They came black vinyl, but this has the black canvas. To me, it just richens the car up. It costs twice what a vinyl top costs. All the glass is in really nice shape. The rubber gaskets and seals and weather strips were replaced. The windshield is new. So that's the outside of the car. Got a lot more to show you on the inside, so why don't we open it up? So Continental kit, there's a lever back here. You pull it and then just swings right out of your way. You open the trunk. Painted nicely. Has the sticker, has a nice new well liner, nice plaid mat, has the cardboard liner on that side and down here. Now this is a matching tire, never been used, has the nubs on the tread, white wall, painted rim, the jack assemblies back here. So hopefully you'll never have to use it, but it's all there and it's nice and complete when you open the trunk. You know, Continental kit can add a little weight to the back of the car, and sometimes they sit low. This one sits real nice and proud, so they got the springs and the suspension just right. Door jambs are painted nice, weather strips replaced, sill plates are shiny. When they restored it, they replaced all the upholstery, the door panels, window cranks, handles. The metal trim was all repainted. Look how nice the instruments are. They're probably restored. There's a quartz movement in the clock. The heater controls, the radio, the air, all that's in real nice shape. There is FM conversion in here. I think you still turn this radio on, but you can play FM that's wired into it, I believe. Down on the floor, real nice carpet with the embroidered Ford mats. We got seat belts in the front. The back is all upholstered real nicely. The plastic horn button has got a little bit of age showing in the plastic. The visors and the mirror all look great. While we're here, might as well check out the Thunderbird emblem. Again, that designates the motor, and that is verified right in the serial number. It starts with the letter P. This was born a 312 Thunderbird Special motor. It has the teapot 4-barrel carburetor under there, the correct air cleaner, valve covers, has the Thunderbird Special call-out sticker. It's all nice. So the fuel pump and the lines, you got reproduction hose clamps. Now I mentioned it has air conditioning. You don't even know it's there. Usually they take up so much room. Other than that compressor, you wouldn't even know this has air. So they did a very nice, neat job keeping it looking stock. You got the coil and all the metals painted nicely. First year for 12-volt system. I should have mentioned that earlier. 55 was a 6-volt. It's all bolted down properly. Got a battery disconnect. Also has an electric fan up front for on those hot days when you're using the air. Upgraded power brake system with a dual reservoir master, much safer than the original. Under the hood has the insulation pads, and just everything is nice, neat, tidy, painted. All looks good. This car just feels right. Smooth. Running so smooth right now, and this is cold. It's not even warmed up. This will be a wonderful car. Go cruising around, top down. You're going to close the trunk first. You set the tire down. Good to go. Just now I wanted to check a couple things. I turned the key on. It has electric wipers, and they're quick, so it must be upgraded wipers instead of the original vacuum wipers. The radio does turn on. Generator light was on with the key. Reverse lights work. Seems to be a very functional car. I like this one. Very, very nice example of a well-done restoration. Go to volocars.com. I don't get these in very often. If you miss this one, it might be a while before you get a next one. It might not be this good. So visit volocars.com to talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help deliver it to your door. They'll help finance it. Also, if you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.